Today I have a special treat for you. I present an amazing property. It's almost 11,000 square feet, circular driveway coming in, all pavered entrance here, all brick colonial, custom home built on a little cul-de-sac off of Tolston Road. So you're 5 minutes to Tyson's, you could get on the Dulles Toll Road in just a couple of minutes and be at Dulles Airport in 20 minutes. You're 35, 40 minutes to National Airport and DC. This is a phenomenal location in some of the best schools in the country. This home, even at 11,000 square feet, in the upper 3 millions, is a very good value. On 2 acres, you're gonna see in the backyard, you could have a little par 3 if you wanted. There's plenty of room for a pool and a sports court or anything else that you would like. So as you can see, your guests arrive, they pull into this paver courtyard. You've got the fountain here, all very classic English garden, as well as English garden planters here on the right and the left of the front door. Go in, brick paver entranceway, beautiful big columns here. I mean, this is what you expect for a home at this price range. As you can see, you also have a nice motor court back here. It's very private. You don't see anything. You got 3-car garage. They're oversized. It's an oversized garage. You got architectural shingles on the roof. Very nice detail throughout. As you enter the front foyer, you're going to see this is a wow foyer. You got the dual staircase going up, a black and off-white tan floor, checkerboard, beautiful molding above the entranceways. And you can see you go back to a 2-story foyer. I mean, this is a grand entrance. So immediately as you come in, on the right-hand side, there's this living room. And you can see the detailed moldings, the big windows. This is a custom home. You can see the plugs in the baseboards, the Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, and it's large, nice, entertaining space. Just beyond the living room, we have this conservatory or side sunroom. It's got its own zone for heating and air conditioning. Music is, speakers are in the walls. Again, you've got that beautiful detailed crown molding, big windows, a fireplace in here with a Inca mantle, granite floors, great for a music room or, as they use it, a side conservatory. So coming into the opposite side, you have your formal dining room. Embassy-sized dining room with the chair rail, the wainscoting, beautiful, again, detailed molding on the crown and on the ceiling, Chambord crystal chandelier. I mean, this is one very elegant dining room. So as we make ourselves further into the home, you'll see this is the hallway here, very open. Again, detailed moldings, absolutely beautiful. Then you walk in, you've got your formal powder room with a piece of furniture as your vanity, and you can see sconces, a chandelier, and all the beautiful papered on the wall. So as we work our way back, you come through double glass doors into the library. Again, plugs in the baseboard, beautiful tin ceiling in here, nice crown molding, a bay window overlooking that expansive backyard we'll get to in just a little bit. they've also took little spaces and made little nooks and crannies throughout the space. You know, here's one, and over there you've got bookshelves and a little place for art. So now we come into the family room. 2-story, you got 22-foot ceilings in here. You got bookshelves to the side, a fireplace with a granite surround. Of course, the Brazilian cherry hardwood floors in here. But look at that coffered ceiling with all the detail in each of the molding, recessed lights in the coves. It's a really dramatic room. And if you look, you've got this beautiful window here that lets a lot of natural light in. You get the morning sun into this room, since it is southern exposure to the front. Really is dramatic in the early morning. As we make our way back to the heart of the home, the kitchen, you've got an entranceway out to the rear deck. You've got a back staircase going up. Then you have ceramic tile floors in the breakfast area and throughout the kitchen. You can see the beautiful cherry cabinetry with the ornamental corbels, lots of detail with a light balance over the window, stainless steel sink, 2 new Bosch dishwashers, a Viking 48-inch range with 6 burners and a grill, 2 ovens, all beautiful hardware, beautiful granite countertops. It's really a spectacular kitchen. I love how they have these 2 heights on here so that you've got your stool height and work height all in the same big center island. Sub-zero refrigerator. And then here you have a large pantry area, and then little wine fridge and bar area here. And then we make our way back into the mudroom. So back here you've got 2 closets, mudroom. It's all got the paneled walls so that when you bump things and knock things around, you're not denting into drywall. That's going out to your 3-car garage. And then we have a first level bedroom. So you've got this main level bedroom. Fantastic, nice, especially for multi-generational family, or if you have guests that you don't want them up on the same level as you. This has got a walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom with jacuzzi tub, shower, commodes back there, granite countertops in here. I mean, a really nice bathroom for the main level bedroom. As you come up to the second level, you'll see that everything's in the hardwood floors. But I like this. Instead of having a bridge over to the family room, it's on the sides. But in the middle here, they have this wall that allows you not to have it too open. Now, all the bedrooms have their own private baths. We'll go through them quickly. Bedroom 2, see, walk-in closet. This one has carpeting in it and a nice bath with nice tile granite countertops on the vanity. This is the son's room, as you can see by the attire in here, a little surfing village. Again, walk-in closet. Obviously the walls are just paint, so if you don't like surfing, hey, not easy. It's very easy to change. And then it's got its own full bathroom here as well. So when you come into the 4th bedroom upstairs, you have the bathroom immediately, and then nice big bedroom. It's got a big walk-in closet over here. Plenty of things. You can see that obviously this is their second son's bedroom. Now we're going into the primary. Just before the primary, you have upstairs laundry room, and then double doors into the primary bedroom. As you enter the primary, you come into the sitting room. Again, it's got detailed molding. You've got a little morning kitchen over here, place to sit and watch TV in private, and then you come in the master or primary bed area. I love this room because it's got this tray ceiling that's a double tray coming up. Gives you lots of volume in here. Very classic design overlooking the rear backyard, Brazilian cherry floors. And then on the way to the primary bathroom, you have this nice little sitting area with a place to sit down, put on your shoes. You've got a linen closet here. You've got her closet and his closet all off of this little dressing area here. As you come into the primary bath, this is a very luxurious bathroom. You've got marble floors, private water closet here. You got his and her vanities on either side, and then jacuzzi tub. As you can see, if you were sitting in the tub, you look back into this luxurious bath. It's beautiful. I love how they built cabinets here to put your towels in, and then you've got this step-in shower that doesn't even need a door. You've got 2 shower heads in there, and it's doorless. So this is where the house is amazing. I love this basement. Got beautiful hardwood floors down here, big windows because it's all full walkout. But check out this ceiling. Beautiful copper ceiling through the billiards area. It's got an exhaust fan in here so that if someone's playing billiards and smoking a cigar, it sucks it out. Got a sitting area. Beautiful bar here, full refrigerator, and it's got a microwave, convection oven. So it really operates as a semi-second kitchen down here. But, it's a beautiful bar with the brick on the island portion, all granite countertops. And then it's all opened up. This is a great place. I've done a Super Bowl party here. It's an amazing place, because the media room is actually part of the whole lower level here. So it's all open. You've got this beautiful area for sitting, hanging out, watching the game. In the back there, you'll see a little secondary room that can be used as a wine cellar for someone that would like that. But it's really spectacular the way they did the lighting, how they did the tray ceiling, the room that they have for this beautiful media area. Just beyond the media room here, you have a little sitting area, and you can see that it's set up with a fireplace. It has gas run to it so that you could have gas logs in it, but it is a real mason wood-burning fireplace. Door exit coming out here, leading to the rear yard as well. But we are not finished yet, because this house has a full bathroom and then the media room, exercise room. Obviously, this exercise room could be another bedroom if somebody wanted it, but it makes a good spot for exercise, and then you have your own bathroom right beside it. On the other side, from the billiards room, you've got a little game room here. They've got it set up with a ping pong. It could also be a sitting area if you wanted to, but it walks out to the rear yard and patio area. We'll get to that in just a bit. And then you also have another bedroom on this level. This is a great guest bedroom because you've got 10-foot ceilings on this floor as well. So you've got high ceilings, and it's a very large bedroom with a big window looking out into the rear yard. And then you've got this hallway. You've got a beautiful, nice little bathroom for your guest, as well as a walk-in closet. So back here, there's plenty of storage. As you can see, you got 2 hot water heaters. You've also got water softeners and purification system over here. And all of your utilities are in this big storage room as well. Good. As you can see, backyard, lovely. This area right here is set up for a pool. We'll talk a little bit more about that. You got a place where you can put a tee box here and get a little par 3 going if you needed that or wanted that. You got a big yard for kids play or parties. So as you can see, on the lower level, it's a full walkout. It's all brick all the way around the house. These are oversized, handmade brick. You've got beautiful pavers to make a nice patio area down here. With the deck, you've got shaded area, but you also have this area if you want to sun yourself. Again, the gardens are very nice. Go around all the way around the house. Really classic look. And having a full walkout gives you lots of light into your lower level as well. Again, you see, it's a very large patio area. You got areas for eating and sitting and just hanging out. It's all a new decking material. Very nicely done. But like any house, if you think this is something that might be of interest to you, give me a call. My name's Casey Marganow, Casey Marganow Fine Homes, 703-827-5777. That's 703-827-5777. And I'd be honored to show you this property.